Form. Posisi pa kita tuntun kanan. Na. Na. Rock. Hold off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Okay, ate. Ang read the Bible verse, Proverbs. Kasi today is January 9, 2026. So, Proverbs chapter 9, verse 9. Read it. Five ka, sando ka na? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here. Wait, some minutes. Is this
Proverbs chapter 9, verse 9.
structure?
Okay.
Give instruction to a wise man, and he will be yet wiser. Teach a just man, and he will increase in learning.
Amen. Amen. So, ang sabi diyan, teach a wise man and he will become wiser. Okay? So, yung verse na yan ay dapat magkaroon kayo ng teachable heart and humility. Okay? Kaya para lahat ng mga instruction na sasabihin ko dito at ang sasabihin ng Bible ay dapat meron kayong right attitude, no, na mag-absorb. I-absorb nyo yung mga teaching dito. So, dapat meron kayong teachable heart. Okay? Dapat meron kayong humility. Nakukuha nyo ba yan? Nakuha nyo yan? Yung, dapat, pag may instruction ako sa inyo, dapat magpakumbaba kayo, magpasakop kayo sa authority, which is ako yung authority dito sa bahay, kundi para sundin ninyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Okay? Di ba sabi sa, connected ko rin yan sa Ephesians 6.1. Ephesians 6.1.
Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
So, doon ba dapat i-obey ninyo kung ano yung mga instructions. Okay? As a children, that is your duty to obey and to have a teachable heart. Kasi habang mga bata pa kayo, matuturuan kayo kasi mga mura pa yung edad ninyo. Kasi pagka malalaki na kayo, hindi na kayo matuturuan pa. Maliwanag?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dapat i-absorb the instruction. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sige. Okay, yan. Gamot report. Atin, yung Bible.
Ready? Sir Leandrin Piacuba and Company request permission to leave. Sir!
Okay ba yung sila mga? Ayusin mo. Yan dito sa okay. Leave. Behave sa school mga anak ha. God bless you. God bless you. Natin mga kapatid mga. Joy, behave ka doon ha. Mag-water ka ng plant ha. Bye-bye.